2022. It's been a long process, as Richard pointed out. How confident are you in 2022 as being the actual go date for people launching?
So we've got 4 flights that we've announced. We are planning to get back to space in New Mexico in May. And following that flight, we have 2 fully crewed flights. The first of those will be just internal mission specialist. And the one following will actually have Richard joining us. And it's really to kind of showcase what's the private astronaut experience going to be. And we think who better than Richard to demonstrate that. We'll have another flight with Italian Air Force that will showcase the scientific research capabilities. And then, as you said, when we get into 22, we expect to open up for all the private astronauts to go. But following the flight we do with Richard this summer, we plan to open up sales again, and looking forward for people able to sign up and come to space with us.
Hey everyone, and welcome into another video. My name is Jason, and today I'm going to be doing a full update on NSPCE, the ticker symbol which is for Virgin Galactic. Now you guys know that Virgin Galactic did hit highs earlier in the year of $60, and we have since sold off all the way down to $30. And we are currently sitting right now, guys, at $29.10 at the time that I am making this video. So that is over a 50% discount on the highs of this stock. Now, what can we expect for Virgin Galactic going forward? What news has come out and what are analysts saying? So we're going to cover all of that in today's video. But first, all I ask is you go down there and smash the like button, turn it into a beautiful blue. And if you are new to my channel, then welcome. I cover news on the stock market every day. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and turn on that notification so you are notified every time I make a video about your favorite stocks. And don't forget, guys, my Patreon is now up and running. So if you would like to get my active buy and sell alert signals that I do put out every single day and actively manage, then be sure to check out the link below in the description, because there is a 50% deal right now with limited slots only for the price of a cup of coffee. And Virgin Galactic is in my top 5 holdings. I have been scooping up shares since it was in that $12 to $19 range, guys, all the way back here this time last year. And I have been invested in this company for the long term, and I do see a very bright future for this company moving forward. So I do want to point out, just before I go into and cover any of the news today, guys, that we are in fact seeing a bullish wedge right now being formed on the charts. So we will go through all of that technical analysis in a little while. But first, I do want to just bring you over to the site, because it says here that Virgin Galactic unveils the VSS Imagine, the first Spaceship 3 in its growing fleet. Now, this was announced just a week ago, and it looks absolutely beautiful. And I will add down here, once we come down to these pictures, you guys can have a quick look at this new vehicle that has actually just been brought out. And it does say here that Michael Colgazer, the CEO of Virgin Galactic, who, guys, used to be the CEO of Disney. And again, if you don't know much about Virgin Galactic, then be sure to check out some of my other videos, because essentially they are concentrating on space tourism right now and aerospace. So they are going to be working as well on a hypersonic flight, moving into future flights up to the moon. It says here that this spaceship in particular is making the beginning of the Virgin Galactic fleet, and they are saying that this is elegant and it's very inspiring, and a congratulations to all our dedicated team who've worked so brilliantly to achieve this milestone. And Richard Branson actually did add to this, and he said that Virgin Galactic spaceships are built specifically to deliver a new transforming perspective to the thousands of people who will soon be able to experience the wonders of space for themselves. So guys, that is some wonderful news there for our Virgin Galactic lovers and shareholders that are out there right now. And it is worth noting, guys, that ARK are still heavily invested in Virgin Galactic. This is the ARK Autonomous Technology Robotics ETF, the ARK Q Holdings, and this is position number 26, so halfway through. Obviously, Cathy Wood is very bullish on this stock. And again, she has millions of shares, as you can see. This is up to, I think, £50 million worth, $50 million that she does hold in this stake. And that's almost a 1.5% of her entire portfolio of the ARK Autonomous Technology and Robotics ETF, which is the ARK Q Holdings. So guys, that is some wonderful news. And also, if I come onto the ARK X ETF, you can see also that she is heavily invested in this one as well. And it is actually positioned number 21 right now on the ARK X Exploration and Innovation ETF, and that does mark up again over $10 million there. And guys, that is a lot of shares that she is currently holding. and that is a 1.82% of the portfolio. Now, a lot of people might be thinking, why is it not higher up in the list? Because again, this company has massive potential moving forward to be a triple-digit stock in the future with their charged revenues. They are burning free cash quite rapidly right now, which is another reason why they did sell off. And again, Chamath also did in fact sell his personal stake in Virgin Galactic, and he was the one that did say that he was extremely bullish to invest in this company, but it was for reasons, guys, of margin calls, and also for the fact that he isn't putting that money into some climate change companies, which is why he said he did sell out of his stake in Virgin Galactic, and he did not want to. He did state that on his Twitter and in a formal interview that I did watch on him. But Cathy would believe that this is an extremely risky company. It's probably one of her most riskiest companies that she does hold in speculation into all of these ETFs, but she is very, very bullish on space moving forward as a whole, guys, which is why she does hold it in both of these ETFs. And we can see, guys, that there are some news and articles that have recently come out, and again, this is from the Investor Place, and they are saying in a recent article that was announced this week that this is a very highly volatile stock. So again, we have to be patient, and this is about risk. So obviously, if we are going to invest in a company like NSPCE, then we have to understand the fundamentals and the risks that we are taking by investing in a company, such as Virgin Galactic. And that is all, guys, due to the fact that Virgin Galactic did have a crash many years ago, and one of their captains obviously did unfortunately get injured and was killed. So that is another reason. If you don't know about that information, again, I have spoken about that on many of my previous videos. Be sure to check out my other videos and have a binge on Virgin Galactic content on my videos list, because I do have a ton of videos that go into a full in-depth analysis about the company, some of their financial findings, and where we are projected to see them in the future. And it is worth noting, guys, that if we come onto CNN Business, we do have some top analysts right now pricing in some price predictions for Virgin Galactic moving forward. Now, they are saying that they have a medium target, guys, of $40 from the current share price, and again, a high estimate of $50. And you guys know that stocks always love to retest their highs. So we can see that those highs of $60 at some point, I do believe, will be retested. And with this bull wedge that I did speak about in the beginning, guys, you can see that we are making higher lows every single time. We are currently on an uptrend that we have been trading off against since this time last year, all the way back in September. So all the way from September, you can see that we have come down obviously countless times to this support line, and every time we have touched it, we have in fact started to go into an uptrend. So unless we do break and close below this over the course of several days, then that would indicate to me that we are then factored into a more bearish territory, and we can expect to retest those lows of about $23.69. But guys, this would be the bottom for this stock, I do believe, in the long term, if that was to happen, because we do have a very strong layer of support that you can see has been tested multiple times moving throughout the course of Virgin Galactic's history. So we can expect to see those highs of about $34 to $35 very soon, guys, because once we do in fact break out from this wedge, I do believe that we will in fact push up and above, and we can start to see those highs again anywhere, like I said, between $34 and $40. So I really think that the end goal for Virgin Galactic by the end of the year is definitely going to be in range of anywhere between $48 and $56. That is my price target for Virgin Galactic at the end of this year, guys, moving into the next 9 months ahead. And again, if I come over onto their Twitter, you can also see that they did recently announce, obviously, that new spaceship that we did look at, and they do have an advert on here. So that is some nice news there for our Virgin Galactic shareholders, like I was saying. So I am continuing to hold, guys. My full position of Virgin Galactic is now built out. It has been built out for several months, and I will continue to hold through any down spells, just because this stock is a very, very long-term hold for me, guys. And I really do believe that this stock does have 10x potential. It is an extremely volatile and high-risk, high-reward stock, guys. So it is much more of the high end of speculation in my portfolio. There are a lot of people that don't touch stocks like this, because you have to understand the fundamentals, that this company has a lot of risk, because of course, moving into space, it might not actually happen, but who knows what is going to happen with this company. I'm a true believer in the fact that space tourism and exploration is going to happen, and this company with Richard Branson are trying to do everything they can in their power to make sure that those test flights are up to date, up to speed, and we are going to start to fly over the next, you know, coming into the next year, 2022. So that is what's happening with Virgin Galactic, guys. I think that this is a potential very nice buy the dip opportunity, because I don't think we are going to see these prices again in 9 months from now. We are going to be kicking ourselves if we did not buy in here, just because you can see that over time, guys, we are in fact trending up, and it is nice that we do get those nice waves of down, because it is allowing us to buy on those big red days. So don't be put off, guys, when you see red days in the market. Red days are good days. It is days to scoop up your favorite shares, and again, then you can hold for the long term and you can get nice and rich. So that is what I'm doing right now with Virgin Galactic. If you did make it this far, I just want to say thank you so much for all of your continued support on my channel. Go down there and smash the like button for me, and also if you are new, then make sure to hit that big red subscribe button, turn those notifications on, and welcome to this family of investors. My Patreon is out now, guys, as well, so if you would like to join the private Discord and you would like links to my buy and sell alerts, which I am updating every single day, then be sure to check out the link that I will leave in the description below. I hope to see you guys back on my channel soon for some more content on investing. Stay safe, stay green, and stay positive, and I'll see you guys back on my channel soon. Ciao!